I have a creepy story from a cemetery. Be me going to local cemetery. Twilight, birds chirping less, crickets and bugs starting to chirp louder. Comfy cemetery near my home looks comfy with sun setting. Walking through cemetery looking at graves from 1700s, 1800s. Wondering who they were, what they did, shit like that, cause I'm a dork like that. Find a grave on the far side of the cemetery with no markers or letters on either side, looks fresh. Weird because nobody has been buried in that cemetery since like 1920s, 1930s. Pull out phone to take pics for X. Screen lights up with low battery warning, dies. Just fully charged it before I came out. Very creepy, spooky, something's about to happen vibe. Okay, not enjoying this anymore, walking kinda fast across cemetery, sun is pretty much gone now. All of a sudden hear what sounds like a small child giggling. Hey, 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 look around, find nothing. All of a sudden what I thought was a statue in the dark tilts its head, can only see the silhouette. Nope.gif about to run. Hey, 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 come here. Look closely in the dark at the statue, it has a weird big round head and is very short like a child wearing a costume. What I thought was a child beckons me to follow him past a few big graves into a secluded spot. Thinking it's some kids doing an epic prank YouTube video, I follow expecting to see a clown or something, fake a freak out, let the kids have their laugh video, go home. That was not a kid in a costume. I get around the corner and I'm in the secluded space between the graves. I can now clearly see I've followed an actual grey alien, and there are more of them. About 9 in total, 8 of them paired off hooting and hollering and giggling while butt-fucking each other. The grey I followed is standing there jerking off, beckoning me to join him with a big grin on its face. His cock is tiny. That was the fastest I've ever ran home, and I've never gone back to that cemetery again.
Anga banga, anga banga, anga banga. Anga banga, anga banga.